Okay. So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
And good evening to you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Anisha, and I live in Delhi itself. And currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts from English honors from Delhi University. And outside of my studies, I do conduct tuition classes for children. And I have deep passion for cycling and playing outdoor games. And except it in family, I would say, like. Apart from my parents, we are three siblings, and my hobbies are as well as I have told you, cycling and playing outdoor games. So, these the short information about me, introduction, and thank you so much once again. So, as he gave me the topic about education, uh, like. Uh, like what do you understand by the education and how it's going on in our India. So I have some kind of red flags for education system as I would say, is there any graduation person? So, and most of us, we have just passed out our 12th standard recently. Like I have seen and I have experienced of my school and my education that has been given to me. So, yes, I would like to explain that firstly, what is the education? Education, if I say that the person, when if I am taking the education, so I would learn that yeah, how to behave with someone, how to communicate with someone. Is this education? If we know how to write our name and how to write the Hindi and English, so you could say that this is called education. So I do not say, like, I am not agree with that point. Everyone has their own opinion, so I have different opinion. Like if you know how to communicate with that person, if with whom you are just talking, and how you know that how to talk with elder than you, and as we are just sitting together, if I know to whom, like I'm going to handle each of person, and I know that the person is being rude with me, how to get him and how to make them calm, if I know, so might be I can call the educated person. But if I have a degree, like I have passed out my, like I have done my ME and whatever just does it called, if I have done that all things, and I'm being rude with that person, and I'm just showing my attitude, and I'm just being egoistic person, so I don't say this is called an educated person. I hope you have understood the meaning of education. So I would like to jump on the another point of the education, that I would like to talk about the disadvantages and advantages. First, advantages. Like, yeah, nowadays education is going good. If I ask to any children, yeah, they might say, yeah, it's good. Right now, like kind of good. Teachers are good. They are teaching us good, and these kind of things are going on. But except it, like few, like I if I talk about percentage, so in the 100 percentage, I would go with red flags around 97. Like Indian education is like going on not at all good, because whenever just as I have passed out my 12th standard, so everyone used to call me, used to say me that you need to take a good numbers, good marks, and have you done your syllabus, have you completed your syllabus, and have you completed those all the things that would be given in the exam. No one used to say me that yes, you have to go for the knowledge, you have to go for the skill. No one used to say me, even no one used to say of us. No one was there, any single person, even our loved ones. They used to say me, yeah, you have to be like, you have to take you have to like you have to take a good numbers in the board exams, you would have to come on the first position in the school and all. But yeah, if the child is not capable to get a good marks, they used to say us that फेल होगा अब तो फेल होगा अब क्या करेगा like these kind of mentalities were there and still are there. If I am saying this, so I am just want to my brother that yes, you will have to take a good numbers. Like these kind of mentalities we have recently we have, but we will have to change if we want to develop our India. So we will have to change because we are the youth and we are the future of India, right? Agree with me? And no one says if I ask to you, would you like to tell about your skills? Do you know your skills? Here is anyone who knows their skills? You know. Somebody has given the chance to you to know your skills in the schools, in the class, to get to know, analyze yourself. No one gives, no one. Everyone is forcing us, everyone is giving the pressure to us only for the marks. No one says that you will have to get the knowledge. If you want to run with the people, you will have to update yourself. No one says. If you do not update yourself, you can the person who is updating their self right now, they can run faster than you, and you can lose your everything. No one says. But if we are here and still we are running for the marks and still we are running for the completion for syllabus, so we are not the updated person. Right now also, like you are coming here and you are saying that I'm going to learn the English. As usual, you come for the English class. You will have to say, yeah, I'm going for the updating myself. I'm not going for the learning English only. I'm going to collect my knowledge. I'm running for knowledge. I'm running for my skills. Because skills and knowledge are only two things that can make you the perfect person in the upcoming time. Are you agree with me? So and still we have just there are several persons surrounded us who they will be pressurizing on you that are you learning English? Like you have been coming here or anywhere somewhere else, you have been coming there or here around for 4 months, for 1 year, and you have completed around like यहाँ पे सभी करके बैठे होंगे 4-5 महीने, 2 months, and still if you are not able to speak in English, if you are not able to make the sentence perfectly, so no one is going to see you and no one is going to listen you perfectly. You will be get hesitated, right? So whenever you are getting the chance to speak and whenever you are getting to collect the knowledge, just try to analyze your time, try to complete your time. So I would love to stop this topic. So thank you so much. Do you have any question for me?